Chronic inflammation can be so challenging to deal with, and the symptoms that you get from it are so widespread. You can have things like rashes, bloating, obesity, cardiovascular conditions, gut conditions. I mean, it's all over the board. How about even brain fog? All these are symptoms of chronic inflammation. It is the bad boy. So we need to find natural ways that we can start to really reduce this chronic inflammation and start to feel better. Not only that, but it can really depress your immune system. And right now, we're in the summer and it is so hot. And I don't know if it's the same way where you are, but it's super hot outside. And then we go into this cold air conditioning, and we do that all the time. And it's really hard for the body to keep up. And what happens? We end up with even more chronic inflammation. Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin. I'm a certified health coach and a trainer, and I love finding natural solutions for things that we are all challenged with on a daily basis. So today, I'm really excited because I have a super simple recipe for you. Yeah, it's a recipe that you can put together what is called a golden shot in order to really help you reduce that chronic inflammation. So are you ready? All right, all you need are a few ingredients to mix this up. What do we do to make this? Well, number one, you want to get yourself some organic turmeric. And you're going to take, I like to take just a little kind of a shallow mug to make this. Put in 2 tablespoons of this organic turmeric, 2 tablespoons. To that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of organic cinnamon. So I like to put that into my mug first, and then put about 2 teaspoons of powdered organic ginger in this. It sounds really good so far, right? And just take a spoon. I like to just kind of mix it up first. And then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of some, I like to use coconut oil because coconut oil has so many really wonderful health benefits. It's an antifungal and antibacterial. It's just wonderful. So I was using some organic coconut manna, which is just a little thicker and has a little bit more of the great properties of that. And you're going to put that in and start to mix. Now, the coconut oil is a saturated fat, so it is a little more thick, okay? It's not like a thin type of oil. So I put in about 2 tablespoons of really hot water. That sort of melts that coconut oil, and then mix it up. Now, that in and of itself is fantastic. But I have an even better ingredient to add to this, and that is put in at least 1 tablespoon of organic cacao powder. Now, this is not like chocolate. It doesn't have any added sugar or anything. It's just an incredible superfood. And by the way, studies are now showing that organic cacao powder can even help our bodies increase our own stem cell production. So let's get some of that into our bodies on a daily basis, right? So I added that, mixed it all up. It is so good, you wouldn't even believe it. So then you just want to take, I liked a big tablespoon, and I took some, take it in, maybe do a tablespoon once or twice a day. So you can kind of mix it up, and that way you do it once maybe a day or once every 2 days, and take that consistently. Taken consistently on a daily basis, you are going to start to really notice how all those inflammatory symptoms can start to really abate, and you'll start to feel so much better. So I hope you enjoyed that really super simple golden paste. Enjoy. Let me know, try it. Let me know how it works for you. Thanks so much, and you have a fit and fabulous day. Take good care.